Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can turn on or turn off YouTube app notifications on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put likes under the video. Also be sure to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and let us get started with you. Okay friends, in order for you to adjust your YouTube notifications, you're gonna need to open up settings on your iPhone and then scroll down to the bottom to find the YouTube app. Open it up and go to the notifications option. So what will you be able to customize here for your friends? First, you can customize to disable absolutely any notifications. To do this, you'll need to on the very first top line, opposite the words all notifications, just disable. So that way you can have, as you can see, I don't have a notifications menu. That will mean that you've turned them off completely. Also friends, you can customize where you want to receive notifications from YouTube. For example, you can get them in banners, also in notification center or lock screen. Also friends, you can customize here whether you want your notifications to be accompanied by a sound and whether or not you want to include these red dots above the app that will tell you how many YouTube notifications you've gotten. It's going to look like this, folks. As you can see, I have this kind of red dot above YouTube, and inside it, it says how many notifications I have waiting for me. You can customize the style of the banners if you want. And that's it. That's all you can customize in YouTube. You unfortunately won't be able to go and customize any other settings to your liking like you can on social networks like Instagram or Facebook, because YouTube's settings are limited to just this menu. That's how you can easily turn YouTube notifications on and off on your iPhone, friends. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments under the video, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.